Grind rava, semolina, it to a fine powder. Grind sugar to a fine powder. Take a bowl and add to it half cup of ghee, 1 cup of fresh curd. Now give it a good mix until it turns smooth. Sieve 1 cup of powdered sugar to the mixture. Mix it until the sugar dissolves. Sieve half cup of cocoa powder and mix it well. Now add half cup of milk and mix. Add 2 cup of rava, semolina, and give it a good mix. Now rest it for 30 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, adjust the consistency by adding milk to it. Now grease the mold and transfer the prepared mixture to the mold. Tap the mold to let it settle. Bake it for 30 minutes. Once it's baked, cover it with a cloth to avoid the cake from stiffness. Once the cake get completely cooled, it's ready to be demolded. Now cover the upper portion of the cake with chocolate spread. Also decorate it with sprinklers. Now the delicious Rava semolina chocolate cake is ready to fulfill your cravings. Hope you enjoy.